Hello everybody, today we are going to learn about types of tenses. If you are new for this channel, please subscribe this channel. I am teach overview of types of tenses in this video, and the detailed rules and the classification of tenses may be posted in the coming week, so subscribe to get that many interesting videos. So I'm going to teach you only the overview of tenses in this video. Let us start. There are three types of tenses: past form of tenses, present form of tenses, and future form of tense. And for each type of tense there are further classification. When we see the present tense, there are three types of present tense. The first one is present simple, present progressive, present perfect, and present perfect progressive. Similar, when we see the first type of first form of tense, there are four classification of first forms of tense: past simple, past progressive, past perfect, past perfect progressive. And when in future form of tense, there is also four further classification: future simple, future plus going to future progressive, and the future perfect form of tense. So I will back to this page and we will see examples for each types of tense. Before that, you have to know the rules, how we have to use each forms of verbs in each condition of tenses. So to know each rules, I will prepare another videos in forms of tenses rules by following the grammar rule. So don't worry, just from this page you can get each examples, each types of tenses with their example. You can try to add another examples from your mind by following these examples. And from this page you can get the most common verbs that we are using in our daily events. So when we see as example in the past form of tenses, I was, when the present, when we change I was into present form of tenses, it become I am. In the future form I will be. And you can see the listed the listed one in this page, and in the coming page also it is the same with the previous page. This is just as example, and you can practice them. I will show only the types of tense in this video, and the detailed grammar rule will be prepared in another video, so you can see from this page as example. And I will show each in the detailed things about the types of tense. But before that, in this video I will give a clue about the types of tenses by using the grammar rule. Let us follow me. In the present simple tense, the form of structure of the tense is subject plus B1. Subject plus B1. When we see in this video, the subject is I, and the verb form of V1 form is play. So when we form by merging another word, is I play basketball every week. You see that present simple tense. I will give just the purpose, the importance of present simple tense, present progressive, present perfect, and the present perfect progressive tense. Just when I give you progressive as example, I play basketball every week. That means one of the advantage of present simple tenses to describe activities that we do every week or every day. So when we see in this example, there is a phrase that say every week. So we directly use the present simple tense. And in the second type of present tense, which is present progressive tense, I am playing basketball now. So as its name indicates, it is progressive. So its form of structure is subject plus am, is, are, and plus V1 plus ing. So when we see as example, I am playing basketball now, it is a present action, but it is progressive. That guy is playing basketball now, so it's progressive action and it's present, so we call the present progressive tense. And the third one is present perfect tense. One of the main importance of present perfect tense is to describe events that happened in the past, but its effect is manifest still now, and its effects comes up to present time. So it is important to use in such condition present perfect tense. When we see its structure, I have just played basketball. In this example, the subject is I, and the I plus have plus B3 form. There are many types of verbs, B1, B2, and the B3. I will list them in another video. And the fourth one is present perfect tense, present perfect progressive tense. When you see this example, just it is almost the same with present perfect tense, but it shows a progressive action that is done in the past and its effect is still manifested in the present. So don't confuse with present perfect and the present perfect progressive tense. When we see its structure, subject plus have plus been plus V1 plus ing. So most of the time by present perfect tense we use just and for, since, and I will list its ground rule for each tenses. So you can revise the second type of tense, which is the past simple tense, the past form of tense, and its sub classification, and also the future form of tense and its sub classification. This is just overview for types of tenses. So I will come with detailed grammar rule and each examples for types of tense. So thank you for watching this video.